Third period, September the 5th, Integrated Math. Warm-up quiz is first. Number 1. Solution on this one is 44. Number 2. Answer is 34. Next one. Solution is 40. Number 4. Answer is 42. Last one. Answer is 50. Bring up a number from 1 to 10. The winning number today is 7. The homework check, we'll do that up here on the iPad. Start up here in the order that you'll be needed. Bring up the answers to 1 through 3. -2, -8, and 11. Bring up 4 through 6. Answers are 0, -4, and 11. Bring up 7 through 9. 9, 2, and -8. Bring up 10 through 12. -12, 9, and 10. 13 through 15. 6, 12, and -11. Anyone have any questions about the homework problems? I'll work them out if you give me the problem number and the problem. The objective for today is to solve multi-step equations. And the specific learning target is the variable has got to be on both sides. So it'll be essentially the same as yesterday with the exception of a couple of different placements of signs and the variable on both sides. Example problem number 1. Whatever is an x term on the left stays on the left with the sign before it. And then whatever is a constant stays on the right with the sign before it. In this case, you actually drop the sign because it's a plus. Now, whatever x term is on the right, you move that to the left and change the sign. Instead of -7 on the right, we think of it as -7. It becomes +7 on the left. And then -1 from the left becomes +1 on the right. -3x plus 7x is 4x, and 7 plus 1 is 8. Divide by 4 to get an answer of 2. Example problem number 2. The x term that stays on the left is -x. And then on the right, the constant that stays will be the -11. Now we have to move this -2x to the left and make it +2x. The -9 goes to the right and becomes +9. -x plus 2x is 1x. -11 plus 9 is -2. No division necessary on that one. Here's a practice problem. -4x plus 6 equals -2x plus 2. You should have -4x plus 2x equals 2 minus 6, which is -2x equals -4, and divide by the -2 to come up with 2. Bonus problem. The solution is 11x minus 6x equals -15 minus 5. So that should be 4x equals -20. Divide by 4, and opposite signs will give you a -5. Now, my mistake, this will be on blooper reel for YouTube. People in Korea are probably laughing at this at the end of the day. This should be a 5 here. And then we divide by 5 to come up with an answer of -4. Here is another bonus problem. This should be x minus 5x equals 21 plus 3. So that is a -4x equals 24. Divide by negative 4, and you should get a negative 6. Practice problem number 2. Negative 1 plus 2x equals negative 7 plus 4x. You should have 2x minus 4x equals negative 7 plus 1. That's a negative 2x equals negative 6. Divide by negative 2 to get a positive 3. The bonus problem is 13 minus 6x equals negative 9x plus 43. On the bonus, you should have negative 6x plus 9x equals 43 minus 13. That should be 3x equals 30. Divide by 3 to get an answer of 10. Another bonus problem. 10x plus 20 equals 3x plus 76. Alright, did you keep this 10x on the left side?
Yeah.
Did you move this 3x to the left and make it minus 3x? Okay, so you have 10x minus 3x so far. On the right side, did you keep the positive 76? Did you move this plus 20 over and make it minus 20? Did you get 7x for the left side?
Oh, no, I didn't. I put plus 3x.
Ah, that's the problem.
That's what I'm doing. Freaking 9.
This, let me get the green pointer out. There we go. Anytime there's no sign, like it's the first term on the right side, if there's no sign with it, that's plus. So when you go to this side, it'll be minus. And then we'll finish off the problem here. Should have 56, which you'll divide by 7 to get an answer of 8. Practice problem number 3. Negative 3x plus 1 equals a negative 6x plus 4. Well, you should have negative 3x plus 6x equals 4 minus 1. That will be 3x equals 3. And then 3 divided by 3 is 1. Homework assignment is next.